What is the best way to find industrial space? Is there a way to save time? How can you make it easier on yourself? All these questions will be answered momentarily. Hey everyone, Richard from Pocket Broker giving you the edge in commercial real estate. On this channel, we talk about anything related to real estate. If this is your first time here, push that subscribe button for more videos. So you have a business and you are expanding. You need industrial space and you need it now. Finding space can take up time that you don't have. How can you find the best space for your business? We are going to go over the 4 easiest ways to find industrial space. The first option is to drive the market. Most vacant buildings will have a sign out front with a number or website on it. If you know what area of town you need to be in, you can call or look on the website for space availability and rental rate. What do I like about this option? If you need to be in a specific area, this can be effective because all it'll take is a couple of calls. What don't I like about this? If your requirements are more general, this will be time consuming. Dialing numbers while driving around is difficult. Sometimes the listing agent won't pick up. In the end, the building might not even have the right space or layout. You even might have driven by the best building without even knowing it. The second option is to visit brokerage websites. Almost all brokerage companies will have their buildings listed. Why do I like this? It's much easier to narrow criteria down by size of space, area of town, and rental rate. What don't I like? It's still time consuming finding and navigating each individual brokerage site. There will be many if you live in a big city. Also, you will certainly miss sites, which could result in you missing the best space for your business. The third option is Loopnet.com. Loopnet is a free commercial listing site available to the public. What do I like about it? It's far more time efficient. All vacant spaces are located in one place. You can be extremely specific with your criteria, and it's easy to compare spaces here. What don't I like about this? Spaces are leased or become vacant daily. Oftentimes it's not reported and therefore not updated for weeks, if not months. So the data is not always current. The fourth option is to work with a Tenant Rep Broker. They can act as a consultant. What do I like about this method? Brokers have great market knowledge, including current availabilities, recently leased properties, and newly available spaces. Aside from providing every available space, they can also help with property valuation, lease negotiation, contracts, and prevent you from making a bad deal. In the description below, there is a video that goes into more detail about the benefits of working with a broker. Since your broker can handle all the grunt work, this method is the most effective option. Even better, their services are free. What don't I like about this method? Broker quality is everything. Not every broker is a good broker. You need a responsive one that understands your needs. If this sounds like a good option, my company can set you up with a terrific broker in your area. Our contact information is below. That's going to sum it up. If you have a particular question about commercial real estate, ask me about it in the comments section below. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. As always, Pocket Broker is helping give you the edge in commercial real estate.